Are you okay?
I'm okay. Are you okay? I'm okay. You don't need that. Baba. Balik tulingan. Hi, 2 million in the house. Kinakain kita. Sudah nih tudang kayo deh. Ang sarap. Yay! Nyap. Ayun sana ho. Nyap. Hi. Ano ka? Makaon ka? Ano? Sino na dua?
Di ba na kumakaon? Wala ka, di ba man nakaon? Busog pa ako. Bago ako nagpakailanusa, nagkaon na.
Ay, kanina pa yan to.
Nagpakailanusa ako.
Kanina pa yan to. Hi, Sir Mitch! Hi, Sir Mitch! Hi, beautiful! Wow, you look amazing and delicious. Sir Mitch, hello! Hello! Thank you. Hi, Abby. So cute, gorgeous. Thank you. Hi, my little princess from Sir Match. Thank you, Sir Match. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much, Sheryl.
Ayan, lagi ulit, May.
Oy, makapakarin ka na ulat ah! Ha?
Katong na ako sa barangay.
Maano ka? Alas 12, sarado ang barangay. Maano ka?
Ang papel.
Papel sa na rin.
Ang papel ni Rap-Rap, dalangan ko pa sa DSWD.
Kaya maano kay ano ng papel mo?
Napasubmit ako ni Ma'am Adi.
Saan sa din? Sa? I-ano mo, isulot mo sila pong?
Kumanda ako sa
Mga lang yun yung mga may katama.
Oo.
Mamaya, na kay alas 12 pa man, wala magkaraon yung dito.
Submit ko na nga ni ito.
Alauna ang submission.
Kaya nga ni, malay mo kung tapos na.
Magbalik ka na lang.
Mabalik ka na.
Bali may mood ko naman yung waraan na alma, ano ito. Ladis. Wow, you look so beautiful, baby and sexy. Thank you so much. Solomali. Thank you sa like.
Ano gawin dyan?
Maano ka? Ha? Oh. Maano ka? Ano gagawin? Maluto. Sa bali. Ay, ada. Nagnalag ka kaloda. Ano? Oh, mahili. Oh, ano na luluto? Ang tuloy na tayo.
Turingan daw, lutong ka na.
Hugasan.
Lugaran ko na.
Ulo lang.
Pagkagod siya.
Pag una ko, wala ka naman dun ha.
Thank you so much.
Baka ligapon ako, sili ho, git.
Dagdagan ko yun?
Oo, kaya, ang dira, abura sili. Sa akin yung sili. Pero sa, ini lang po. Ang ulo, halo ako.
Hi, Edom.
Dili ka pala rin po. Kay, ang dala na ang hila ng tuwigan. Oo. Dili ka na ako nun. Dili ka kasagay. Lanteng.
Oh my God.
Dapat pala.
Dapat yan. Oh my God. Oh, sorry naman.
May tamang pagdurot.
May tamang pag-urat. There, my niece, Uncle Mitch, love you. Oy, Uncle Mitch, love you daw. Daw nang sabihan. Thank you.
Thank you. Dito doon, no?
Thank you. Oh! Ah!
Wala magluwasa pag wala
Oh,
tayong
maula yun po na sili. Hindi, yun, ang kuan.
Oo, labuyo.
Ay, kung di ko parang kuan, hindi ka ilay. O, ton.
Ha?
Si ton. Hindi ka ton, parang luto.
Aray ka. Hindi naman siya para luto, tamang kain lang.
Ano lang? Okay lang, ako lang ang nagpaagad ko. Di bali ako ang mag... Ay, naluwayan na ina para karbo. Hindi ko magkaroon.
Busog ka. Busog ka na.
Kasi para kagod. Mali. Pati pagkagod, mali.
Yan, lalaki yan.
So
Eh,
good,
binabay
guys.
ako.
Thank you, Sir Mitch. Pati pagkagod, mali. Yan. Dire.
Di ko maligita pa kasi pag nasawa mo.
Hindi pa may maasawa.
Bayaw lang. Sugat ang pagkagod.
Pag nag-asawa man ako, siya nang pakagod ako.
Di man ako sa pagkagod.
Sila naman ako.
Pag nag-asawa na pala siya pa. I'm going to enjoy supporting you. Sir Mitch?
Gasi.
Thank you to the people in the house. Thank you so much.
Diba?
Alam ko gusto mo saan sinibihan niya.
Bawang pamamay.
Ha?
Bawang.
Oo.
O sige, ako na ano yung bawang. Bawang lang, wala sibuyas.
Thank you, 32 million in the house.
Basta lang kung ako ni Kano kapayat. Bago bayan, pero wala lang nila.
Every week I will send you and when I go there. Huh?
No, not Sarah.
Sheryl, good morning to you. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Good morning, Sir Dwayne.
Kain ka na din mo. Abig din.
Lagyan.
Ren ka na. Tama na yun.
Kanina si Papa yung
Papay ang initan.
Papa yung hanap ko.
Thank you so likes. Thank you for watching. Hi, Sir Dwayne.
Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Anta. Hello.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. How are you?
How are ya?
Makilay.
Busy yan.
Wala pa si Ilang eh. Ano naman, nagbabantay siya sa kanya. Ano?
No chair. If you want to sponsor for that chair, welcome. Have no chair. I want to sponsor buying a chair.
Aday.
Thank you, 48 people. Where are you from?
Balik ka din sa inta.
Cheryl, how are you doing? Why did you
Ash! Pag lalakaw ha, alam nila ka mamamay.
Hi, Sir Jeff. Come on, let's eat, Sir Jeff.
Huwag na yung napugaan. Tulo.
Come on, Sir Jeff. Come on, let's eat. Okay, on my way. Hi, Claudie Villanueva. Camille is still pretty. She's still pretty, Sir Jeff.
Kapag si Jerome sa ganyan.
But if you want a Filipina, maybe you need to find from Cebu. Filipina from Cebu, they are beautiful and gorgeous.
Kay Pang daw palang 19.
A lot of foreigner find the Filipina from Cebu. And they are beautiful and gorgeous. Hi, Sir William Franklin.
Bicol Express.
Yes, whole family serve Jeff. Whole family. My mom, my sister, my nephew,
Pag may silit tapos ginataan. Ariya?
my sister's son.
Saya. Pag ano pampasiran pa yun. Flavor ba?
Tell everyone I said, yeah, hi. Hi daw, sabi ni Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff said, hi, people.
Good
They're
evening.
busy, Sir. They're busy, Sir Jeff.
Very good. Ulan ka, very good. It's nice. Lechon.
Wow, they don't respond.
Oh,
Ano sabi daw ni Sir Jeff? Hi.
hello. Hero. Hello. Hello.
Sabi ni Sir Jeff, wow, they don't respond. Sabi ni Sir Jeff, wow, they don't respond.
Ito ka sa mo. Ito rin so. Sabi mo. Hello. Hello.
Hello all. Sabi ni Sir Jeff, hi daw.
Hello! Welcome to my vlog! Sabi niya, puro na lang welcome.
Hi Sir Mitch, that's more like it.
Hello! Welcome to my vlog! Sabi niya, palagi na lang welcome to my
That's sister-in-law.
Be better.
My sister-in-law.
Welcome to my vlog!
Thank you to the Sophie sending a heart. Thank you so much. I know you don't have no other sister. I would be at your brother-in-law. My sister, they already married. They are already taken.
I love you.
Yung pagpaguna, pag-edit ko naman pwede.
Malakay naman ang pagmaran ako naman pamayo.
Pwede man? Pera ko. Pera?
Ang pamayo. Ang pagmaran ako pamag. Ang namin si Bagolit ko ang
Tell her I will be waiting.
ako mam. Bakit magtura ko?
Pero pwede man ko no.
Ha?
Pwede man.
Kung pakatungan ako sa aga, na biyernes, tawagan ako naman. Bago kumamit, gusto ko ang ako sa kwarto, gagawin lang ko sa isang ito, o kung wala kami ito sa ugang.
Oh, beautiful mother na. Oh, my mother, so beautiful.
Good ano, good sign yan.
Arin nga, sister ang gusto mo, 6,000 or 10,000. Bago ko, kung ano na yan, basang ang babakusan mag-aat, sa paan mag-ian. Kung pili ang 6,000 mag-ian lang.
Alam mo, porcelain ang kuhaan mo, kamagayan.
Ano naman ako, mag-aat, plastic lang ang gusto ko, dahil ang plastic.
Porcelain ang kuhaan mo.
Ay, laman
Plastic lang
yun.
ito.
Laman yun.
Kasi ito, plastic ito.
Ano, saan lang yun.
I got to get there for Camille. Ah, okay, for Camille. Okay, Camille is still single.
10,000.
Magay man. Bye, I will let you buy a chair for a sponsor. See you another day. I'm out. Okay, thank you so much. Hi, Mitchell. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining.
Akala ko yung kalilyo, postiso na ano. Plastic lang.
Walang plastic na.
Kasi pag
Nagkain mo na ko kang bula, bago ni bula, hindi naman kami natin ng ko. Kaya ko ni mga kamayo, ulit ko yung kamayo. Ay tuturuan ko yung isa, yung kamayo.
ganun sa mga doktor na talaga sila.
Depende siguro sa doktor. Yung panan ako, yung kumbalan ako.
Hello! Hindi ko makikita yung ano. Sabi ko, hindi ko nakikita yung mga message sila.
Magay mo tayo. Lahat mo na sa ano yun? Sa suka. Natin mga pagbubutaan ng lalo sa ano. Kasi craving na siya.
Simot pa ng paubusan sa dahil. Di ba napakasangkap na
Ano pa yun? May kuwa.
hindi pa naman
Sige, matakal ako ng buli na. Paluto na ito kang mama.
Pero sa mga
Madiraan luto ng mother.
Nakain na, kanyang tuloy na.
Can I have food? I want food time. Can I have food? Get food. Kabata pa ay kaatab.
Oh, ano, pintang.
Ay, wala na yan to. Mahirap yan to kausap. Wala si Aden.
Sarabi na lang.
Thank you for watching 23 people. Oh, paghuna ko di ka na mabalik naman.
Ang sabi ko ba sabi natin si Resident, hindi naman ni Mana yung
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Leto! Sasabihin, mahal.
Makaon na ka. Doon na, ayun na, intang. Kanakaon kita.
Your best size, please reply me. Huh?
Makaon mo na ako.
Ay nga ni.
Cheryl, now how is your coffee this morning? Coffee is good. Coffee is fine. Wow, Cheryl, shake the ass. Show me what you want. Hey, beautiful, Brunei. Good evening. Good evening.
Pastoral
Students,
kami.
Mabasa-basa din ang amay. Titi Heidi. Titi si ano yung titi? Mga kaano baga kasalos.
T, C. Christian. Chappy lang C.
Wow, Mike is a lucky man. Me too. I'm lucky having with my Mike. I'm lucky with him. Excuse me. I'm staring my letters. Hi Angel. Wow, beautiful. Keep going, keep going. If I would I have met you first, Mike would have a chance. I don't know. F. The F. Hello, gorgeous. Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Sure, got it going on. You dance very well, thank you. Hi, doctor. Hi, Sir Doc. Oh my God, very one, Doc. For a long time no here. I'm staring at you. Thank you. It's smoking hot. I really like your move. Thank you, Sir Eric. Wait, I need to do.
Really good night. Wow.
I really like your move. Thank you. So beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
La, 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 la.
Let's dance.
Remember,
Playing. Thank you so much. Please. Thank you so much. Also, you're gonna meet my jealous. Why?
Pagising sa umaga, nagpapahalo ganda. Ang mundo'y ang gulo na pwede ka nitong ibaba. Ang palag mo, ang taba, ang bayad mo. O iba umanhin sa tingin ko yung ganda ko.
Thank you so much.
Pagising sa umaga, nagpapahalo ganda. Ang mundo'y ang gulo na pwede ka nitong ibaba. Ang palag mo, ang taba, ang bayad mo. O iba umanhin sa tingin ko yung ganda ko.
Wow, and see you soon, huh?
I know it breaks your heart. We moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. I know it breaks your heart. We moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. I know it breaks your heart. We moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. I know it breaks your heart.
Cheryl, see the horse, try the cowboy. Wow.
4 years, no
Yeah?
Lord, I'm just grateful that I got to wake up today. You take my worries and hurries and fade them to gray. You have been blessed with me, that's what you say. That's how I know everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, gonna be okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's what you say, that's how I know everything is gonna be okay, yeah. Gonna be okay, yeah.
Maybe she wants to go. This I will close the channel. I found another consumer to sponsor. Bye. All good luck and God bless. Cheryl, my name is Cowboy. Huh?
That's what you say,
So
that's
much?
how I know everything is gonna be okay, yeah. Gonna be okay,
What?
yeah.
Sir Max, what do you mean? Wrong.
You take my word, that's what you say, that's how I know everything is gonna be okay, yeah. Gonna be
What do you
okay,
mean, Sir Max? Ano yung game? Oh my God.
yeah. Lord, I'm just
Sir Jeff is
grateful that
ano?
I got to wake up today.
Oh my
You
God.
take my worries and hurries and fade them to gray. You got the blessed of me, that's what you say. That's how I know everything is gonna be okay. what you say. That's how I know everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, gonna be okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Lord, I'm just grateful
Hi,
that
Hi,
I got to wake up
Tio.
today.
Ako
You
si
take
Mitch
my
ito.
Sir Mitch, Sir Jeff knows I'm
you got
engaged.
the plan.
Sir Mitch, Sir Jeff knows I'm engaged. So, and I thought you already know. So it's okay, you will find a Filipina Sir Mitch. It's fun. You will, hi Tio. You will find another Filipina, lots of Filipina, Sir Mitch.
Sa Mitch.
Beautiful Filipina. Beautiful. A lot of Filipina. Beautiful
Tita, ano nangyari?
Filipina.
Christmas yan
Most
eh.
in Cebu. Yeah.
Christmas.
Okay. Let's just enjoy life. Enjoy the life while we're live here in the world.
Lord, I'm just grateful that
No
Lord, I'm
worries.
just Lord, I'm just
No
grateful.
worries, guys. Just enjoy. No need to stress. To you, good morning, my friend from Sir Dwayne Mitchell. Cheryl engaged, brother. Yes, I'm engaged. Oh my God. I thought you already know, Sir Mitch. Jinking! Hi, Jinking! Hello, Jinking. Okay, hey, Theo from Sir J. Jazz Hey Vlogs. Hi, Jinking. Like them. Thank you for the like. Jinking. Good morning, sis. Hoss. Good morning. Okay. How are you, sis Hoss? I'm fine. What about you? Okay. Hello everyone, Jazzy Vlogs. Jazz are good morning. Good morning. Okay. Fine, says Hoss. Thank you so much. Okay. Took one. Sure, where is Mike? Mike, he's resting, sleeping. He's sleeping today because he needs to rest. Mike needs to rest. Always and forever. Always and forever support from Indonesia says forever support. Oh my God, what is a support? King. Forever, maybe just support. You need to support. No need to forever support. Oh my God. Sure, you must have worn him out when he was in the Philippines. Wore him what? What it means, Sir Jeff? What it means, Sir Jeff? Jeff, hello. Hi, hello from Jinking. What it means? You put it on him. You put it on him.
Mama,
I,
ito,
I both. I put it on him. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. And the motel get down makeup. Get down makeup. Huh? Jeff, mega love shout out to you from Jinking. Jinking Rick. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm thinking about some loving. What is some loving? Some loving? I'm talking about some loving. What it means? Some loving of who? Thinking. It's hey, Sheryl, you and Mike get it on. Me and Mike get it on. Me and Mike get it on. Get it on. Get it on. Sheryl, you and Mike get it on. I need to translate. Sheryl, what the fuck? What the fuck? Making love. Oh my god, sorry. I'm slow. Me and Mike making love. Oh, sorry, I'm slow. Sorry. Oh god. Yeah, we need that. And I think I'm doing right for now. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm the sister to sister. Sure gotta teach you. No. So no. Ah, oh my god. It only 5 try. Ah! staring, I hate you. Cheryl, not that. Not that. What things mean? What it means? Sure. But the difference between the live and then I'm watching my live here. Get get it on making love. Huh? No. Nah. Though no worries, I can manage myself. I know. I think I know everything. Oh my god. Just walk in. Is the moderator operating with the streamer? Huh? That what get it on means making love. Ah, get it on making love. Ah, okay. Girl, I got to teach you some slang. Okay. Hoy! Kumani ka din kasi. Ngayon din itsura mo. Magpaputong ka. Good morning, Mike. Hi, my love, Mike. Cheryl, I time out. Not being respectful at all. Okay, thank you, my love. How you doing? Thank you, love. Good to see you this morning, my friend. Very good. See you. From Sir Dwayne. Thank you. Thank you, my honey, my love, my so sweet. I must just stay at you and staring at you. Good to see you this morning. Palms are green. Come here na.
Kita wala ko kami squillo.
Bakit?
Kasi absent sila.
Ah, saan si mama?
Kita ka to, lala ka.
Kailang.
Dao. Okay. To lala.
Si Daddy Mike, nag-game mode si Daddy Mike.
Ang nagsang bukan kanila.
Ano?
Amba. Amba.
Ah! I'm just to stay out.
Ouch.
Ah!
Ah.
Aray ko. Oh my God, wait. Wait lang.